Welcome to RStudio tutorials. Today I will walk you through the various data types in R. It is also called sometimes variables in R. So if you are learning R, it is necessary to get the basic information about the various variables or R data types. So first of all, it is I will walk you through integer. So it means integer, it is like the number. So in R we have to define, we have to just check it out how what is integer and how we can check the class of integer. For example, I am storing one variable called x, and you can give this arrow. This is like the shooting arrow. It means if I put any value, for example 3, and I have to press L, I have to write L. So and give the run button. So there are two options. You can click in this run button, or you can have a shortcut key control enter or shift enter. Okay, so this x value has been stored here. You can see here 3L is there. Now I want to check the type of data type of this x. So I will just type type of and in bracket x, capital X. Make sure that this is a case sensitive, so you have to be very careful. So here my x variable, my x vector is integer. In the console you can see here its type is mentioned. So likewise this is a integer type. Next is a logical. So logical in the sense it is like either true or false. There are only two possibilities, which is quite useful in R as well as Python. So for example, if I type my next variable, next vector called y is equal tends to for example true, capital true. Okay, if you press capital, then its color will be changed, and if you type a normal integer, normal letter, then it will not be any boolean expression. Okay, so here we should type TRUE in capital comma and give shift enter, or you can here also press run button. Okay, so in the console you can see it is pressed to it is saved y vector as a true. Now I want to check the type of the y vector. So in this case I will type in the window type type of and in bracket y, capital Y, and press shift enter, sorry, control enter. So here it is a logical. Okay, so likewise if I press z is tends to false in capital letter and press control enter, or here run. Okay, so I will it is this vector is stored, and please make sure whenever you press whenever you save this vector, now it is stored in the environment area. Okay, here you can see z is equal to false. So now I want to check the type of z. So in this case type in bracket z and control enter. So here it is logical. All right, so likewise if I check for the y, type of in bracket y then control enter, it is also logical. So this is a logical variables which is quite used in R. Next is a numeric. So in numeric, for example I'm just taking any variable, for example df tends to 12.5. okay, then control enter. Now this this df vector is saved here in the environment variables. You can see df and values are 5. okay, vector called df tends to 12.5. okay, I will give control enter, and now I will check what is the class of this df vector. So I will just press class. If you press class and press enter, it will automatically fetch this function called class. Here I have to give data type called the new vector called df and press control enter. So in the console it will show it is a numeric. Okay, so likewise, if I want to add any complex numbers like which is quite used in algebra and calculus, so I will give any vector called fg, and then 3 plus 2 3i. Okay, so this is one kind of imaginary complex numbers. Now I have saved this fg vector here in the console. You can see it has been saved. Now what I need to do, I need to check what is the class of this fg. So just give a class, then fg in bracket, so it will give you the type of class type of this vector called fg. So these are the basic class in R. One last one which is quite useful is any text or raw text. For example, if I say gg tends to is equal to say for example any characters. Okay, so make sure in R, if you are going to type any character, you have to put in quotation in between. So for example, I have added this text in quotation mark, so R will understand that this is some text. Okay, so this text has been saved there. Once you type this text in quotation or single or double quotation, and you need to press Ctrl Enter, so it has been saved. In the environment area, you can also see here this gg is saved. Now you need to check the class, so just type class and hit enter, type double G and enter, it is a character. So these are the famous and most widely used data types or variables in R. So if you are finally aware about this variables, then I think you can easily walk through R. So I will again review all these things which are quite useful in R. First is the integer. Integer is a raw numbers. Second is a logical, that is boolean, true or false. Third is a numeric. Okay, that is a class 12.5 or any 5 or any numbers. Okay, fourth one is the complex number, which is used in research work. However, it is not used for the ordinary or practical application unless otherwise there is any scale. And fifth one is character, that is normal character, which is used most probably 95 to 98%. This character class is used. So these are the basic variables. So if you have any queries, please put your queries in comment box. Thank you very much for watching this video.